In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Gmail in Google Workspace. Since this process requires purchasing a Google Workspace plan, I won't be able to show you the part directly, but don't worry, I'll guide you step by step, so listen carefully and follow along. So, let's assume you've already signed up for Google Workspace. For the step 1, open your browser and go to admin.google.com. This is the admin console where you manage your Google Workspace account. And after that, log in using your Google Workspace administrator credentials. Take note that only admin account can activate Gmail. So once you're logged in, go to the app section from the admin console dashboard. Click Google Workspace to see the list of available services, and then look for Gmail in the list. If it's not active, click on it, then click Turn On or Enable to activate Gmail for your organization. After enabling Gmail, you'll need to configure your domain's DNS settings to route emails correctly. So in order to do that, go to your domain provider's website like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Then find the DNS management settings and the MX records provided by the Google. This can be found in the Gmail setups guide in the admin console. Make sure to save your changes and allow some time for the update to take effect. Once the DNS settings are updated, go back to your Google Workspace account and open Gmail. Send a test email to ensure everything is working perfectly, and that's it. That's how you activate Gmail in Google Workspace. I hope this helped. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.